This will be a hotel room tour of room 3637, the Borgata Hotel and Casino Resort in Atlantic City, New Jersey. RFID locks. And as you walk in, interior corridor, of course, let the door close. Here's your evacuation plan. Pause if you want to read that. Pause if you want to read that too. Coming into the room, you got a large mirror. You can see me high. Now coming in here, you got two very nice queen beds. Nice and firm. There's me, high again. Samsung flat screen television. Let's get some light going. Standard hotel phone. I love these lights and artwork. It's really nice. Here's your coffee maker. I gotta get some light going. Kind of get it better. It's kind of dark in here, but yeah. Here's your coffee maker. Coffee. Now this is an adjoining room, so yeah. Anyways, let's get a view. I'm just gonna turn off the light so you could actually get a really good view. Sorry, please bear with me. Anyways, this is looking from the back towards the front of the room. Yeah, I'm just gonna shut off the lights. Just, so you could get a good view. I'm gonna turn everything off. Because then you get a really good view. Get a load of this. There's the Golden Nugget Casino. There's the Water Club Tower. That's the newer tower in this resort. Got the wide angle lens on. We're on the 36th floor. There's the motor lobby down there. Some parking garages. I think that building that's glowing is a Harrah's. Yeah. There's kind of towards the mainland. But yeah, this is an excellent view. Towards that way, where I'm pointing, I don't know if you could see. That's towards the beach. We're a little bit inland. Not actually on the shore, but yeah. This is an excellent view. Let me see if I can get the whole thing in the shot. Oh yeah, that's nice. Anyways, I'm going to turn the light back on. And sorry again. I know it's a lot. I'm gonna show the closet. Here's your closet with your safe. Oh, this door not open. There we go. It's your closet with your safe, hangers, ironing board. Your luggage rack. That's all for the closet. Yeah, I got a picture of this. Now I'm going to show off the bathroom. Hello again. Look at this bathroom. You got your sink, Callista, towels. Here are your toiletries. Drinking glasses, hair dryer. Here's your walk-in shower. It's beautifully tiled. Hopefully I don't get wet doing this, but how do you turn this on? There you go. There's your shower. Some soap and a washcloth. Now here's the commode. Oh, there's a phone right there. Some toilet paper. Commode is, toilet's a color. Guess we'll flush it. That's a nice room tour for you. I don't know if there's anything I'm missing. I think that's pretty much about it. All in all, this room and resort in general, I'm really impressed with it so far. I just got here today. It's my birthday, by the way. So y'all can wish me a happy birthday in the comments. Here's a thermostat, by the way. I don't know what brand it is, but yeah. Anyways, this concludes our video. I hope you stay tuned for more videos. And as always, thank you guys for watching. Have a good night.